Alright, Sema, day 4. We're still here.
We're still here, 4 days later.
But we're getting the hang of it, I think. Unfortunately, today's the last day, and pretty soon this place will be in full teardown mode. So.
Yep, so we're gonna look at the best of the best today. We got a flight to catch, and that's it.
Yep. We'll see what we see today, and you'll see it soon. Bent Metals Customs car. I've seen this online a lot. It's definitely a clean car. Definitely worth hitting again. I like that carbon fiber filler piece. Nice and clean under the hood for sure. Actually, the 69 Camaro I have in the shop right now could definitely be finished out into this car. All or most of the work that's done to this is already done to that car, so we need to get cracking on that one too. This car is definitely highly detailed. Like the fitment of the bumper is tucked in there really nice, clean, tight. The gaps, even the inside of the bumper is painted. I'm guessing it's probably a fiberglass bumper, but it's finished out everywhere. Definitely tell the cars that they took their time and did the work on. Here is the F-Bomb Camaro. It's got a nice cage in it. Turbo small block in it. Here is Blasphemy. This motor's been apart so many times. I think they just had the supercharger off coming into the show. Oh wow, the roof's not just metallic, it actually has stuff in it. I don't know if you can see that or not. I do believe this back window fell out at one time, as you can see by the scratches. There's some car seats in the back. Looks like it might have some blow-by issues. Yeah.
Code digital. So you get this old style dash with all the new niceties, right?
Alright, that was for the 69 Camaro and the 67 and 8s. Here's the Dakota digital gauge clusters for them. I think this is a new release for them, this platform. It's all configurable, programmable. definitely keeps that original look but modernizes it. Very traditional looking hot rod here. It has what looks like the old mechanical fuel injection, but it's definitely electronic. It's stuffed in there. It's a very clean interior. Wow. Yet again, that's an LS motor, but it's just very disguised to look like something completely different, like an older motor. This is extremely clean. Definitely a show car. There's some forged carbon. Quite a different look from the carbon weave. Forged carbon actually looks really cool. We are lost again. It's the final day here, and it's crazy about.
We're not lost.
We are lost. Why are you looking at a map?
Just for fun. I like maps.
Turbonetics and Precision are now the same company. That is massive. The size of that. Definitely not your ordinary Lexus. So they're a large frame, probably the Pro Mod series. The speed sensor built into it. Custom Camaro. Actually, they do kind of everything. Camaro, Chevelle. Here's the Chevelle interior. It's got like a 67 Chevelle SS style hood on it.
Well, that
It's a very, very clean truck. Got the wider wheel tubs in it. Wooden bed. It's got the TMI custom interior. Looks really good.
My leg hurts.
This red is gorgeous under the lights.
Yeah, it's not as hard. Yeah.
This is 67 Nova interior. It's a one-piece headliner. '69 Firebird wide body. See the flare in that front fender. You can definitely see it in the back. '69 Trans Am? Not quite. You want a big block crate engine, here's probably a very good option right from GM with a warranty. 572 720R Deluxe. 727 horsepower, 680 foot-pounds with a warranty. This is super cool. There's a Copo 302 crate motor. There's all the specs.
Both to one motor.
Big giant Holly intake. That's extremely cool. It's direct injected. .302 crate motor. Who knew? Here we have the Copo 350 supercharged crate motor. What the horsepower of these? I don't see it down there. Oh, 580. NHRA rated at 580. It's got a Magnuson supercharger, LSX block. If you need some Copo merchandise, they got you covered there too. There's a cool watch, glasses, mugs, jackets, shirts.
Yeah, we cut away just on the other side of that Mark Sport. The actual look.
Copo wheels. Here's the install parts for your Copo motors. Wiring harness, throttle bodies, alternators, bracketry. Here's the heads they use on actually the 350 and the 427 and the 302. Fully CNC ported, 6-bolt heads, giant valves. And if you look there, I don't know, there's a GM part number, but it also says PRC on there, so that's kind of interesting. Could that possibly be Texas Speed PRC? As you can see, these are GM castings. And they must have titanium valves because they have the lash caps on the exhaust, or intake valve, rather. Could that mean that the Z28 is coming? Possibly. And for the Duramax guys, here's a GM crate block. And they have aftermarket diesel parts too. Not even really aftermarket. It's GM performance stuff. Cams, heads, cranks, pistons. They even have cam kits for the LT1. It's actually complete kits. Cam, lifters, lifter trays. They CNC port the heads. It's interesting they do the intake side, but they don't do Oh, well, I guess they did do it. They just don't clean the whole thing up on the exhaust side. Check out the motorcycle gas tank for the fuel tank.
Nice car.
Alright, Sema 2018, we are out of here. We have to catch a plane. So we had a good time.
I'm a little exhausted.
Jessica's getting silly. So.
It's 4 days non-stop cars and automotive everything.
Here's a super clean 60s, I'm not sure what year it is, 64 to 67 convertible. Super high-end build. So not everyone makes it inside at Sema. This is actually outside. Very well done. Carbon fiber bumpers. Very nice car.